All right, y'all, what's happening? Welcome back to another Powerstroke video. We got part 2 over here of the 22 Lariat that's getting the full color match, paint match deal on it. My last video you guys saw, some time lapses, me talking about everything, tearing everything down. And then this video, we're gonna show you a little bit of some paint prep, some spraying shots, everything laid out. Not really gonna go too in depth on how everything's done, but we're gonna show you everything happening. And then we will be reassembling the truck, and then we'll show you the end result in this video. So you already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. So follow along with me and we'll start getting after it, y'all. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. All right, guys, we're out here in the booth. Check all these pieces out. We got Ford emblems, we got grill pieces, we got badges, we got mirror caps, door handles. Everything is prepped right now. Getting ready to spray some primer on it. It's looking pretty good. Going down, baby. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Oh yeah, now we're cooking with grease. Everything is primered, wet sanded, adhesive promoter, you name it, it's been done to it. So we're getting ready for some base to go down here. Got everything, door handles, the grill pieces. You guys seen it in my clips before this. So kind of did a little time lapse you guys seen of spraying some adhesive promoter and then spraying some primer on everything. And then after that, I think I got a clip of me wet sanding that bumper right there. So kind of threw some of that stuff in. Not gonna go too in depth. Just gonna kind of show you some nice paint here in a little bit. So looking like a little sweat box in here, man. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, I got it. right, y'all, we're at another coat of base. You saw one coat, we're doing another one. Getting ready. All right, guys, check it out. This is our progress. Got a few coats of base going down on everything. Looking mighty fine. Look at that. So we got no clear coat yet, just a few coats of base. I think we're doing a tri-coat on this. So far she's looking good. Now this is all white. That's all white. That's white. This stuff is gonna be black. So we're gonna spray this all black. And yeah. Guys, look at this bumper. Look at these bumpers. Oh my Lord, y'all. Paint is done. Paint is donezo. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that white shining in the sun, y'all. So we gotta throw all the emblems together, throw everything else together. Right now we're gonna throw the mirror caps on, we're gonna throw the door handles on, and we will show you that. So in the videos before, you saw everything getting sprayed. I'm gonna run you through that. Oh yeah, can't forget about the black too. We got some black over here, laid down, looking nice and sweaty. All right, guys, so here we are. We're continuing the video. We got painted parts down here. It's plastic. We got some black stuff over there. We're gonna show you putting everything back together now. Easiest right now is all the door handles, tailgate handle, and the mirror caps. We're just gonna smack them right on. And then we will continue some more time-lapse videos, filming of putting all the bumpers back together and all that jazz. And then we will show you the finished product when we are done. So, yes, sir. Man, what do you guys think? Man, them bad Jerry's are looking good. Door handles, meter caps, it's all the easy stuff. Tailgate handle right there. This side, looking like a damn sweat box in here, man. Woo. Look at this bad boy. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up today. The rear bumper is pretty much all together. I got to put one bracket in the rear and then push tree connector, the sensors, because they're all plugged in. Look at that, man. That looks slick. Mirror caps are on both sides, door handles, tailgate handle. I do have the tow hooks on as well. So tomorrow we will probably finish this and then start assembling the front bumper. So yeah. All right, guys, check this bumper out. She's all basically put back together. You got the plastic trim on the top. You got fog light housings. You got all these brackets in the rear. Everything was labeled 13 millimeters, 8 millimeters. So we're gonna throw this bad boy back on here. Get her going. All right, y'all, so the front bumper is on. It's funny, you know, you tear something down a couple weeks later, kind of forget how it goes together, as in all this like plastic stuff, and there's all the harness underneath and all the push connectors. Like I was saying, you guys saw in the video where I tore it down. I'm like, man, there's a lot of stuff, but luckily you film stuff like this, so you kind of see how everything goes together. So rear bumper's on, front bumper's on. We got the grill over there. I'm gonna get that done. And then, yeah, we're gonna show you a reveal here. We're getting there. Fender badges and then grill and then rear emblem, and it's pretty much done. So, yeah. Whew. That white, man. Beautiful. Guys, this thing looks absolutely phenomenal, man. I mean, them badges, the mirror caps, the door handles, but that front end, oh man. I see why Ryan kept everything the white and black now. I mean, that is beautiful. So, guys, I can't get enough of this thing. I gotta do one more walk around video. Just got the detail going on it. We're gonna polish some stuff just to touch up, make sure it's nice and shiny. And yeah, this job's just about done. Probably see some film. Me and Ryan, he's waiting to bring the 2-wheel drive valence. We're gonna slap that on. But man, I honestly want a white truck, man. I can't get enough of that front end. That is just beautiful. My Lord. Now it's time for lift, wheels, and tires. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe some darker window tint, Ryan. We need to do something about that. Look at that. That is just